Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. Today we're going to be talking about the things that everyone needs to keep in their car. Now, this is going to be ranging from the Jeep all the way to any kind of car or truck that you guys might have. It's just kind of basic things that I think that I keep in my car and that you guys can keep in your car that I recommend that everyone else keeps in their car. Now, it's freezing out, but luckily I got my lifestyle merch on, which if you are watching this on or after, I guess it goes live. But if you guys are watching it when it just went live, the new website is up right here, shoplifestyle.com. Make sure you guys go check it out. Get yourself some of this nice high quality merch. Tons of designs on there. New ones will be coming as things kind of go on. But like I said, it is live. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe now. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. So why would you want to miss out? So anyway, let's go ahead and jump in because it's freezing. And let's just start talking about the small stuff. And then we'll work our way around to the big stuff. One thing as I jump in here, I don't care what kind of car you have, you got to get some all-weather floor mats. I'll put a link down below to some on Amazon that you guys can check out. All-weather floor mats, if you guys especially are in a place with lots of snow and stuff like that, definitely go ahead and get yourself some all-weather floor mats. It's been a while since I did a video like this, just kind of sitting in the car and talking to you guys, but yeah, like we got a lot of good stuff in this one because like there's a lot of things that I thought about when I was thinking about this video idea that I either didn't have in my car, they were still inside from my truck, or things that I just don't really think about that I keep in my car. Now, obviously, 2021, 2020, you guys got to keep a mask. You guys can get this one at shoplifestyle.com. Like I said, the website will be live now. We got these nice masks. They have these little adjustable straps here. And there is a little metal band in there for you guys to bend around your nose. Really nice quality. They're really comfortable, and if it's cold out, it keeps you a little bit warmer on your face anyway. But yeah, that's obviously one thing that you guys need to keep in your car nowadays, because before, obviously it didn't matter. You didn't need a mask. Who would have a mask in their car anyway? That would be weird back in the day. Nowadays, it's the norm, so obviously you need one of those. That's another stupid one, and that's just a pen. I don't know how many times that I've needed to just grab a pen. I didn't have a pen, so I keep one in the glove box or in the center console. I always have a pen in here just in case. You never know what kind of thing you might need to write down, or just scribble something on a card or something. That's pretty much the main thing. But these are going to be a lot better. Like, they're going to get better. They're going to ramp up. I promise. We got better stuff. We got better stuff. This thing is kind of interesting, but I think it can be useful, I suppose, to keep in your car. It's small and it's kind of out of the way. Now, the main feature that I'm going to say with this one is the lighter portion. You can see, I don't even know if you can see it. This one has like a weird like flame on it, but keep a lighter in your car. Now, imagine you just, I mean, it's not going to happen, but like, what if it did? You got stranded or something like that, and you need a way to start a fire. Might as well keep a lighter, small, out of the way. I know for some of you guys that smoke, obviously you're going to have this on you at all times anyway. But if you don't, then you can go ahead and get something like this, which this one has like a bottle opener, a little knife, corkscrew, just a few little things you guys could have on it, like even like a multi-tool to have in your car. But you're keeping yourself all set with the lighter, which is the main thing that I'm going to suggest you guys should keep in your car. Now, this one I recommend everybody to have. I don't know why, but I know some people have like a fear of getting trapped in a car, or like they have their seatbelt on and they're like, I'm going to get stuck. I'm going to crash. I'm not going to be able to get out. So that's why I recommend something like this. So you can get just a standard seatbelt cutter. So you can see this one here has the little seatbelt cutter right in there. It also has a little glass breaker on the end, so you can get a little multi-tool like this. I also always recommend that you have a knife. So if you don't carry a knife on you, most of the time I carry a knife on me. If you guys don't carry a knife on you, then this is a perfect way to do it, to get all three in one. So like I said, this one has the little breaker on the end, so you can break the window. Say you do crash into water or something like that. Say you do crash into water or something like that, then you guys have the capability of busting the window out really nicely. Or if someone has a dog or a kid locked in a car or something like that and you need to smash the window and be a good bystander, you guys do have one right there. You also have the seatbelt cutter to kind of slice your way out if you're stuck. Overall, this is one of like the top things that I will recommend that everyone has in their car. And if you're not into having a knife in your car, you can get one that just has the seatbelt cutter. And this, like I said, everything will be linked down below. So if you guys are looking for one that has a knife, I'll link one of those as well as one without a knife. So you guys can kind of, get the best of both worlds if you're looking for either. Now this one's only going to apply to certain cars, and that's going to be one of these little cubes. Now you don't need an iPhone one. Obviously this is just an Apple iPhone one because that's what I have. So I grabbed it to show you guys. because in my car, right in the little back piece of the center console, there's a little port for this, and I can go ahead and plug it in and charge it. Or if I need to get somewhere and that's obviously not working, or your car doesn't have that, you can at least plug in your charger somewhere like Starbucks or any kind of place like that, or Dunkin' Donuts, whatever you need to go to charge your phone in case you're in a weird situation. Maybe you're traveling and you can't get to somewhere to charge your phone or get in contact with people. So definitely one of these, and right along with that is going to be a charger. Now obviously this one's usually plugged in over here. I did the vinyl wrap. If you haven't seen the video, check it out up here now. But I did all the vinyl wrapping of the interior, so I had this out, so I haven't plugged it back in, but I usually have this plugged in for Apple CarPlay. So you guys probably have a charger in your car anyway, but I just figured I'd throw it in here with that, because things you need in your car, you need a charger. Like, you never know when your phone's going to die or when you're going to need to plug it in and charge it, so that's going to be something that I definitely recommend. Now this one's not going to be for everyone, because some people don't even know how to change a tire, but I still definitely recommend it, and that's going to be a breaker bar. Now I keep this one in the back seat. I'll probably put it in the back compartment. There's a spot underneath that I'll be showing you guys in a few minutes once I head back there. It's just really, really cold out. It's like negative degrees out today. I don't even know, it might be -2, -3. I don't know. It's cold out lately. We're about to get some snow, so yeah, I'm not too happy about that, but maybe we'll have some fun Jeep videos in the snow, so be on the lookout for that. If you guys are not already subscribed, smash that sub button now. Yeah, so a breaker bar is gonna let you unlock those nuts really nice and easy. This one is from Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh brand, has a lifetime warranty. I think it was 25 bucks, if that. Again, like I said, everything will be linked down below. I'll have one on Amazon for you guys to look at. And then I just have the socket with the little protective socket to remove the lugs. Along with that, I also keep a large torque wrench to torque down the lugs. But you don't even need to keep this in your car if you are just trying to kind of break open those nuts and swap out a spare tire quick, or, you know what I mean, switch out a flat. This would be more than enough to just lock them down until you get home, and you can replace it and then torque it down. You don't need the torque wrench to be in your car at all times, but they kind of go hand in hand. You might as well have both, I guess, if you have the room. But overall, make sure you guys have a breaker bar, because that little one that I'm going to show you guys in the back once I jump back there in a minute is it's kind of a joke. I've seen them snap. I've seen the heads just snap right off. It's tiny. You can't get any leverage with it. So if you're on the side of the road and you need some leverage, then you're definitely going to want to have one of those. So definitely go ahead and get yourself a breaker bar and keep that in your car, because you'll thank me later. I promise. All right, now we're going to swing around to the back of the car, and that's where we're going to take a look at some other things that you might need to keep in your car. Now please excuse the fact that my car is absolutely destroyed. It's dirty as hell. I need to wash it. But so if we swing back here, if you do not already have a snow brush, you obviously got to have a snow brush in your car if you live in a place where there's snow. If you don't, then you don't need it, obviously. But if you guys are up here from New England or anywhere around here, then you guys are going to know that you need a snow brush, and need a good one, especially if you are having an SUV or truck or something and you need to get higher. You definitely need a big one. Now again, like I said, with the thing that's up front with the floor mats, cargo mat in the back, if you have this kind of area, or a bed liner mat, something like that, always great, because it'll keep it nice and clean in here. Go ahead and pop this open. You can see the little tiny bar to remove the lugs here. It's just not that good. You could always replace this with a little jack, a little bottle jack or something like that. I might do that in the future, but for now I just have the standard jack, which kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said, right now I just have the standard jack, and it works for what it needs to do if I need to switch out a flat tire. I never use this if I'm actually doing a like an install or a change or anything, but there it is. It's there. So this is another thing that I always recommend, is a big bag of microfiber towels. Now you can use these for just about anything. Remember that lighter I had before? If you guys need to start a fire, you guys can go ahead and burn up a cheap microfiber. You need to wipe stuff off your car, you need to clean up a mess, anything like that. Wipe stuff off the windshield, clean the windshield in a pinch. You always have those on you. Definitely just grab them. They're super cheap. Like I said, they will be linked down below as well. This is going to be something that I always say in like all my videos, it seems, is the microfiber towels are going to be something that you want to grab, because I don't know why. They come in so handy, and it's so much nicer to just be able to just quickly grab one, wipe down whatever I need to wipe down or whatever I need it for, and then just throw it back. And then the last thing that I always recommend people have is a nice a nice first aid kit. This one's just a simple tactical style first aid kit. Again, I've done a review on this video, so you guys can check that out down below. Also, if you guys want this exact one, the link will be down below. But it's just a nice one, and it has the little MOLLE straps, so you can strap them onto a backpack or whatever. They just happen to fit perfectly into my car right on over here. And you can see that they fit nicely. Now, if you guys have a 2014, I believe-ish model, I don't know when they discontinued it, but I think 2014, there's a little flashlight over here in this pocket. So in mine, I don't have it, but there's a little push spot where you have a little flashlight, which is handy. So if you do not have that model, then you guys should go ahead and grab a flashlight. Again, I'll link a cheap one down below you can keep in your car. I do keep one in my car. I don't know where I put it. It's somewhere up there. I just didn't grab it for the video. But the first aid kit is something you're going to want for safety, and just overall, it's one of those things where you'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Hopefully you guys got some information from this video, or some takeaway of things that you guys might be missing out of your car that you guys could use or do need. Like I said, remember, shoplifestyle.com popped up on the screen here. First link in the description. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. We'll be going live 2/1/21, so if you're watching this anytime after that, it's already live. Make sure you guys check it out and get yourself some gear. Tons of different stuff on there, great quality stuff, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. If you did not already like the video, make sure you smash that like button down below right now to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, help the channel grow, and help build this community. Of course, comment anything that you guys have in your car that you guys think you need to keep in your car for safety or for any kind of use like that. And of course, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to be up to date with future content. New videos are coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I feel like I am losing